this land, it has a wild heart, and from this hill we can feel the history. My name is Jose Molina. I'm the experience manager at Vestige in Menorca. Our vision was to create a hotel that honors the spirit of the island. We are dedicated to honor the history of Menorca. A beautiful location creating beautiful memories and moments for our guests. 800 hectares of land and a beautiful coastal line to be explored with our Polaris Rangers. Every day brings a new challenge, maintaining the property and keep it in a good condition. For our restaurant, freshness is everything. The Rangers can ensure that we can bring directly from our orchards fresh products to our restaurant. The guest experience is about tranquility. Our work goes completely unnoticed. That's the standard of our luxury. The silence of the Kinetic makes this possible. We can service the entire hotel without making a sound. We need tools that can go the distance. We need a vehicle that can handle the rocks and the climbs. Our Rangers will make that possible. Sustainability on this scale is something in between man and nature. It means trading lightly on the soil, leaving a small footprint and enjoying the beauty of the island. Our Rangers are powerful tools that allow us to be better hosts. At Son Ermità, we create memories that you will never forget, all powered by our Polaris Rangers.